here's a few more tricks that Magill's going to do for me. She's sitting very good right now by the front door. And let's see, let's start with sit, Magill, wait. That's good. You got to do what I say here. All right, now, go to place, go to place. Go to place. Sit, wait. And Magill's got a good place by the back door there. And she does pretty good distinguishing between go to the door, which is the front door, and go to place. And she can also go to place. Magill, go to place. Sit, wait. You can't really see her. She anticipated getting up, but I can tell her up, 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 sit. Good girl. She didn't do that too well. Right, down. Sit. She does those very well. Magill, come. She skids on the floor pretty bad here, but she does do just about anything for tricks. I'm going to try a video now of her weaving between my legs. It may or may not come out too well, but okay, Magill, come. Right, through, 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 through. Good girl, through. She'll walk all the way across the backyard with me, through. Sit. Good. She'll walk all the way across the backyard with me with doing that. Go to the door. All right, sit. Wait. Sit. Wait. And I'm going to pick up some toys right now. I've got a Frisbee and a bone, and she's getting better at differentiating between the two. So I'm going to try to see if I can catch that on video. She's not perfect at it, but she's getting pretty good. So I'm going to throw the Frisbee over there, and the bone is way over here, a little farther than I want. I'm going to move it back. Good girl. Good weight. All right, now, ready? Get your Frisbee. Bring it. Drop it. Get your bone. Go get your bone. Get your bone. Good girl. Bring it. Nope, bring it. Drop it. Good girl. She does pretty good on that. She's getting better. Now, one thing I've been working on her with, come, sit, is going backwards. She does pretty good at it. Come. She heard me say it. Come. Sit. Come. Back. Good girl. Sit. Come. Sit. Back. Good girl. Magill, come. Oh, that was good. Very good. One thing I have been working on, let's see if I can catch her doing it here. Sit. Been working on wait, wait. No ma'am. Come. Sit. Wait. 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 Been working on making her back up through my legs. She's doing pretty good at it. And so that's good. Go to the door. Go to place. Go to place. Go to place. Sit. Up. Sit. Down. Sit. Down. Go to place. Sit. Magill, come. So that's just some silly tricks that Magill does.